Oh yeah.
She going crazy. She's a wild animal.
You good man? Crazy. You crazy.
Yes, she is.
Wide open.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing cleaned up here and see if this is enough paint. It probably won't be. Might have to go get some more paint. But my brother actually bought that for me for Christmas. He tricked me. I wasn't able to make it out there to Fleet Pride, so I let him go out there and take the measurement in my yoke there. And he took care of it and paid for it and just brought it back as a Christmas present. So that was cool. So now we just gotta clean this thing up and get her painted, put it on there. Alright, we're gonna check and see if this thing fits in here. Sorry about the camera angle. I'm gonna have to probably cut that stuff off. I ain't got nothing to cut that off. I don't feel like getting back up. Maybe I can pull it off.
I don't know about that. When I got mine, I had to cut it or find the end of it. This stuff's strong, ain't it?
Oh, it's so close.
Tape, y'all.
I probably could have got up and got a knife.
Yeah, he's struggling. So they're turning red in the face and everything.
Oh, hell. Just because I'm lazy and don't want to get back up. Hold on. There we go. Got it.
Alright, hold on.
I got it. Filming the ground too.
Yeah, I'm filming everything.
That's right.
Go.
Oh,
Oh, you waiting on me?
yeah.
Is it gonna work? I don't see nothing but a black screen. We just not have light or something. What's going on? Blinky red light.
Yeah, it goes out. That's why a lot of times I'm just filming whatever, 'cause I don't know how to work that thing, bro. You gotta tap on it and make it light back up. So what we got up there?
We're looking good.
It's all the way in, ain't it?
Yeah, right there he is.
And then when I bring it out, it's gonna be an inch.
Yeah, it's perfect. That measurement, boy, it's a good stuff.
That fits.
And it's in there.
Alright.
Alright.
Now we can take it back out. Alright guys, you might be asking yourself, what the hell are these guys doing? Because that's what I'm asking right now. But the last time I started this thing up, we checked the transmission fluid. and it was way overfill. So we're going to check that again before we put the dry shaft in, because if I need to let some out, I'm going to try to maybe jack the front of this thing up and let it drain out the tail shaft there, if that'll work. So yeah, that's what we're going to try. I really don't want to take the pan off. I mean, I will if I got to, but I'm trying to avoid that at first. So we're going to start this thing up and let it warm up and go through the gears and stuff and check this thing. Alright, so it ain't really high. It's down on the cold mark.
It's still cold right now.
Yeah. The transmission's really cold because it ain't moving, except for what's spinning in there. I guess we could put the dry shaft in it and take it to go get gas, then check it.
Before it runs out of gas?
Yeah. Taking the toe lights off.
These are nice.
Yeah, they come in handy.
You gave them to me.
And then I took them back.
Yeah.
India gave them.
You said I don't need them shits.
As soon as I give them away, I needed them. That's fine. That's how it usually works. So my lights do work. Now we just gotta bolt the tag on here and we'll take this thing for its first journey. Well, not first, I guess first journey since it's been tuned, quotation marks. The guy said he'd put a street tune on it, so I don't know. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna drive this thing around. Trying to get the seat belt out. Look, you fit in the floorboard.
Yeah,
This truck.
I can hide in here.
If you was in that S10, you'd be all the way over in the driver's seat. That's what I like about my full size. You got plenty of room.
Ah.
Cut that open some more. I feel like I'm about to cut my fingers off.
Good too when you just smack it a little bit. It's got a good sound. Kind of pipes is them.
Glass packs. Some of them cheap. Some glass packs.
He went my route. I'm cheap.
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 Cheap. Alright, we got the transmission fluid topped off. Check the rear end fluid. Put plenty of gear oil up in there. So we good to go. We're actually going to go help some friends right there. Go pick up a motorcycle. So Crusty's going to haul his first load.
I've seen them both ride it before. Cheesy ass exhaust on it.
Looks like it's been laid over. They scratched it there too.
Yeah.
They done wrecked it.
I'm gonna replace it all anyway. Fell over.
That's why I said it was fast. He probably done wrecked it.
Yeah. Yeah, look at it. He stretched it out a little too far.
Yeah.
You don't know what fast is.
Yeah, he was.
Kept saying this shit.
I was just being quiet. Like,
yeah, I know, right? Like, dude, I'll run the piss out this thing.
Alright guys, we are unboxing the dry shaft safety loop that we're going to put on. Or I guess you can adjust it up and down. But I'm hoping maybe we can hit these last holes right there and then bolt this to the floorboard, maybe. If we're, because it's got to be 6 inches from the front U-joint. So wherever that is where we need to figure out where to bolt it in at, or what we need to do. I'm hoping we ain't got to extend those things out to the frame or something crazy. I'm hoping we can get it bolted to the cab. Alright guys, so we're going to put this dry shaft safety loop on here. And we measured 6 inches from the universal joint back. That's what the the NHRA rules. God dang it, let me start that over again. We are putting the dry shaft safety loop on, and we measured 6 inches from the center of the front U-joint back. And that's what the NHRA rules are on the safety loop. So now we're going to take the seat out so we can drill them holes up through the floor here and get the bolts on. And the cool thing about this is I put my shifter mount in, and now we can't scoot the seat up to get to these bolts. So it was either take the shifter back out or try to get a wrench down in here and try to squeeze in there. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, it's getting dark, but I'm gonna try to show y'all my dry shaft safety loop right here. So we just ended up bolting it right to the floorboard there on both sides, and got it 6 inches from the universal joint there. So that wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad to put in. You see the bolts there and over there. So now I'm gonna try to vacuum this trash out of here real quick, and then I'll put the seat back in there. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya!